Greetings and welcome, future Linux power users. In this video, we're going to be learning how to install Teamviewer on Arch Linux, specifically the Manjaro operating system. So I have a fresh install here of Manjaro OS, and unfortunately there is no easy way or one-click way to install Teamviewer on Manjaro as of yet. Yes, there is the package manager, but it's not up to date, and if you try to install it this way, you will unfortunately not be able to. For example, if I take the package manager and write down Teamviewer, I get no results. So that means we have to go to the command line, but don't worry. This is not a daunting process. This is a step-by-step, so you won't get lost at all. The first thing you need to do is find your download. So you can Google Arch Linux Teamviewer, and on the first link, you'll have the AUR Teamviewer Arch Linux. That's one way to go about it. Don't worry, the link will be in the description. If you don't want to Google and search for your own, you can follow along the video with the links provided in the description. So, by default, Arch Linux has Git installed. So it's very easy to just clone this Git to be able to download. We copy the link on AUR. We type down git clone and space and the link. To paste the link down, you can either right click and paste, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-V and paste the link. Once it's pasted, enter, clone it, and now you have your installer. Now, unfortunately, these files are not on the ready. These files are in a folder called Teamviewer. And it's a package build that can be installed, but requires a little bit more instruction. So to do that, we need to make this package. So, makepkg. You will find this command also in the description, and it's makepkg or pkg space -s and press enter. This will create a package that we will be able to install. It's going to take a few seconds because it's building an installer from the files that we just downloaded. And once it's ready, we will be able to install. Now, mind you, this doesn't mean that we're done. This just means that we can go to the following step, which is actually installing this package that we just downloaded. And there we go. Once it's installed, once the package is made, now we can install the application. So it's sudo pacman -U and the name of the package, which is showing right there. It auto-completes because it can see it. And then we press enter. We type in our administrative password and we say yes. And now we're done. The package is installed. Teamviewer 15.27.3-1. So once installed, we should be able to see TeamViewer show up here, and there it is. But this is unfortunately not done. There are a couple more steps to complete. First one being the service. So there is a service here that's called teamviewerd that we need to enable at startup. So it's systemctl space enable space teamviewerd. It'll ask you for your password one more time, and once it's enabled, we can press the up arrow and replace the enable with the word start. Password one more time, and now we're ready to start TeamViewer. And there we go. Give it a few seconds to connect to the internet, and your TeamViewer is ready. Now, if you're still running into trouble trying to connect to this computer with TeamViewer, I'm going to link you to a video that'll teach you how to fix that. In the meantime, I hope it's been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.